Say goodbye to pen and paper and hello to a smarter, faster, and more efficient way to stay in control. In this video, we'll walk you through how to digitize your inventory effortlessly with TotalCtrl, all in just a few clicks. After setting up your storage locations and inviting team members, the next step is adding inventory data to specific locations. While you can enter data via the app, using the web admin ensures a faster and smoother setup. You have two options. You can manually enter data like this, but to save time and ensure accuracy, we highly recommend uploading your existing inventory in bulk. Here's how. Step 1. Download the inventory template, a simple, easy-to-use Excel sheet directly from the TotalCtrl web portal. Step 2. Fill in your inventory details for each department in the template. It's quick, straightforward, and ensures all your data is structured correctly. Ensuring the accuracy of this file will save you valuable time down the road and guarantee precise reports and analytics. Step 3. Upload your completed file back into the system with just a click. Made a mistake? No worries! You can easily edit or cancel your upload anytime. That's it! You've successfully digitized your inventory and are almost done setting up TotalCtrl.